Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SalesMate CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your SalesMate CRM API keys? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your SalesMate CRM API keys anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're setting up some sort of automation with your CRM, you know that many programs require the API keys to your SalesMate CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's all handled here in your SalesMate CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SalesMate CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, there's actually two different ways you can get your API keys in SalesMate. The first way is you want to click on your profile letter here on the top right. Once you click there, you'll see a drop down, and you want to click here on Setup. Once you click on Setup, you're going to see this menu off to the left, and you want to click on Automation. Once you click on Automation, you'll see this other menu here, and you want to click here on SalesMate API. Once you do that, you'll see a lot of different fields, but off to the right here, you want to see this yellow box, your API keys. Click on the blue Click Here button. Okay, so here are your personal API tokens or keys. This is going to be your access key, secret key, and session key. So that's the first way you can get your API keys to your SalesMate CRM. The other way you can do that is off to the left here. You're going to see this little envelope. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, so once you click there, you'll see an email menu. And at the very bottom, you're going to see this one, email settings with a gear icon. Go ahead and click on there. All right, once you click there, you'll see another menu here, but you want to click on this button here, access key. Okay, so here we are back on that same page with your SalesMate CRM API keys. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your SalesMate CRM API keys, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.